Are you still running your home service business manually and replying to customers all by yourself? Then I am here to convert your manual chaos to magical automation. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to create an AI assistant for your home service business, which is going to respond to your customer queries 24/7 while you are busy or unavailable. And we are going to create this AI assistant by using an amazing automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And our AI assistant is going to respond to our customer queries on the basis of the knowledge base we have provided to it, and that knowledge base contains details of our business. So if you also want to create this AI assistant, then let me take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how we can create an home service AI assistant which is going to respond to your customer queries 24/7 while you are busy or unavailable. So now I'm going to show you how you can create an amazing AI assistant for your own business. So for that, we will be using Pabbly Chatflow. So right before you on my screen, you can see this is the AI assistant I have created, and now I'm going to show you how you can create an AI assistant for your own business. But before that, I'm going to show you the real working of this AI assistant. So for testing this AI assistant, let's move on to my WhatsApp with me. So here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I'm going to send a message to the number which I've already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here this number is saved as my test number. So here I'm going to enter a message that is, "Hey, I need help," which is the user's first message. Now you might be thinking, what is this user's first message? So I'm going to answer it while creating our AI assistant. So here I'm going to enter this message, and here you can see as I have entered this message, my AI assistant will respond to me on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it. So here you can see this is the knowledge base I have provided to my AI assistant, which contains details of my business, and my AI assistant is going to fetch the data from this knowledge base and respond to me. So here you can see in my WhatsApp, my AI assistant has successfully responded to me with a message which says, "Of course, I'm here to help. What do you need assistance with?" So now I'm going to enter another question for my AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this message, that is, "What services do you provide?" And as I have entered this message, my AI assistant is responding to me with a message consisting of the services provided by this business. So now let's enter another question for our AI assistant for testing it. So here I am going to enter this question, that is, "Please provide me the pricing details for home and deep cleaning." Now let's wait for the response of our AI assistant, and here my AI assistant is responding to me with a message which contains the answer of my question. Now let's enter another question for our AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this question, that is, "Can I book multiple services at once?" And now let's wait for the response of our AI assistant, and here my AI assistant is responding to me with answer of my question. Now let's enter our last question for our AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this question, that is, "What if I'm not satisfied with the service?" And here my AI assistant is responding to me with the answer of my question. So this demonstrates that our AI assistant is working properly. So you can also create an AI assistant like this for your own business, which is going to respond to your customer queries 24/7 while you're busy or unavailable. So for creating this AI assistant, we have to access Pabbly Chatflow, and for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will be getting the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, you can simply click over this sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can simply click over this sign in. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing Pabbly Chatflow. But before moving on forward, I am going to tell you about Pabbly Community. So here you can see this is the page of Pabbly Community, where automation users, marketers, and business owners gather to share their ideas, ask questions, and get relevant updates regarding using the Pabbly application. So you can also join Pabbly Community now and grow your business with us. And if you wish to join the Pabbly Community, you can find link in the description given below. Now let's move on to Pabbly Chatflow again, and here I'm going to simply click over this sign in, as I already have an account. And once you finish your sign up, you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page, where you can see the products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create an AI assistant, we have to access this Pabbly Chatflow app by clicking on this access now button, and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, which can be seen here. And on this dashboard page, you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account. So you can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on this add WhatsApp number button, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can simply click over this WhatsApp Connect, and if you want to connect with token number, you can simply click over this Manual Token Connect. And if you want to learn more about this process of adding WhatsApp number, you can find video link in the description given below. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly, and if you want to learn more about these features, you can find video link in the description given below. Now as we are going to create an AI assistant, we have to click over the AI assistant given on the sidebar, and once you will click over the AI assistant, you will be landed to this AI assistant page where you can see these are the AI assistant I have created. And if you want to create your own AI assistant, you simply have to click over this add AI assistant button, and here you will be getting the option for entering the assistant name. So here I am going to enter my assistant name as Fixify, and this name, that is Fixify, is the name of my brand. Now we simply have to click over this add AI assistant as I have provided the name of my AI assistant, and here you can see as I have clicked over it, I am landed to my AI assistant page. So here you can see my AI assistant page somewhat looks like this, and here we are landed to this AI instruction tab where we are getting the option for selecting the instruction type. So here you can see that we are getting many instruction types. So if you want to select AI agent, you can select it. So if you want to select custom prompt, you can select it, and you will be getting this prompt instruction. But here I am going to select AI agent as I am going to create an AI assistant. But you can also select customer support agent, sales agent, language tutor, coding experts, life coach, futuristic fashion advisor. So here I am going to select my AI agent, and as I have selected it, I am getting some of the instructions. So you can also provide your instructions over here, and afterwards we are getting this AI configuration section where we are getting the option for temperatures. So now you might be wondering, what is this temperature doing over here? So temperature here basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative, and if you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. But here I am going to keep it as a 0.5, which is a friendly temperature, and afterwards we are getting this option for selecting the AI to use. So here I am going to select this Open AI, and afterwards we are getting the option for selecting the model. So here I am going to select my model as GPT-4o mini, and now we are getting this API key tab. So for getting the API key, you have to visit this help desk which says kindly visit your OpenAI API's key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So for getting this API token, we have to move to my OpenAI API's key page, which can be seen here. So here you can see on this API keys page, we are getting this option for create new secret key, which you have to select, and you will be getting this dialog box where you have to provide the name and project name, and afterwards you simply have to click over this create secret key button, and your secret key or the API key will be created. But I already have an API key which I am going to paste. So here I am going to paste my API key. Now we simply have to click over this connect button, and here you can see we are receiving this pop-up which says OpenAI key saved successfully, and afterwards we are getting this AI assistant settings tab where we are getting many options such as header message. So if you want to provide header message, you can enable it and provide the header message, and afterwards if you want to provide the footer message, you can enable it and enter the footer message also. And now we are getting the stop keywords. So stop keywords are the words which can stop your AI assistant. Now let's say I want to stop my AI assistant as soon as someone enters a message consisting of this word stop. So for that you just have to type it, and here you can see I have typed it, and now I am going to press the enter key, and here our one stop keyword is ready. And now as soon as someone will enter this word, our AI assistant will be stopped. So here I am not going to provide any stop keyword, so I am going to just disable it, and afterwards we are getting this option for retry attempt. So retry attempt is basically the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond. So here you can enter the retry attempt in its valid range, that is from 1 to 10. So here I am going to just disable it as I am not going to provide any retry attempt, and at last we are getting this option for fallback message. So fallback message is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly, and here we are already getting a fallback message, but you can provide it according to you. So with this we are done with our AI instruction tab. Now let's move on to our knowledge source and manage it. So in this tab basically we have to provide the knowledge base which contains the details of my business. So I have already shown you the knowledge base which I have created for my business, and this contains details of my business which I am going to provide to my AI assistant. But you have to remember one point, that file format will be only accepted in .txt or .pdf. But if you have any image on the .pdf file, then there is limitation of only 10 pages. But if you don't have an image, then no worries, we don't have any limitation for that. So for downloading our file in specific format, you just have to move to the knowledge base, and here we are getting this option for files where you can see the option of downloads, and on this downloads we are getting this option for for downloading the file in .txt or .pdf. So from here you can download your file on either of the format. So here I have already downloaded my file in .txt format, which I am going to upload. So now let's move on to the Pabbly Chatflow again, and here I am going to simply click over this button, that is choose or drag a file here, and on my download section you can see I am getting this knowledge base, that is Fixify home service knowledge base, which I am going to upload. And here you can see as I have selected it, I am getting this pop-up which says file uploaded and processed successfully, and as we have uploaded the file we are getting this name and vector ID, which demonstrate that we have successfully provided knowledge base to our AI assistant. Now let's move on to our next tab, that is assistant interface, where we are going to configure our assistant interface. And here you can see that the first option we are getting for header display heading name. So here I am going to provide my brand name. So here on the header display heading name I have provided my brand name, and this brand name is appearing over the preview of your chatbot, which can be seen on your right side. And on the header section of the preview of the chatbot you can see that I am getting the same header name. And the next option we are getting is for header display subheading name, which we are already getting as we are online and happy to assist you, which is appearing over the header section as a subheading name on the preview of your chatbot. And afterwards we are getting this initial message. So here we are getting one initial message, that is hi there, how can I help you today, which is appearing over the preview of your chatbot. And let's say I'm going to enter this initial message, that is hello. So for that I have typed it, and now I'm going to press the enter key, and here are another initial message is also ready, and this initial message is also appearing over the preview of your chatbot. But you have to remember that you can create only two initial messages, so I'm going to remove the initial message which I have recently created. And afterwards we are getting this option for display the powered by Pabbly label, which is already enabled. So here I'm going to disable it, and as I have disabled it, the powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared from the preview of our chatbot, but I'm going to just enable it. And now we are getting the option for entering the footer text, which we are already getting as privacy policy, which is appearing over the preview of our chatbot. And now we are getting the footer link, so you can also provide the footer link here. And at last we are getting the user's first message, which is written as I need help, but I am going to convert it as hey I need help. So user's first message is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp from the user's side. So here we are done with our assistant interface also. Now let's move on to our next tab, that is styling, and customize the visual appearance of our AI assistant. So here the first option we are getting for selecting the theme mode, which is already selected as light, but here I am going to select dark to see the changes. And here you can see as I have selected the dark theme mode, the changes can be seen in the preview of your chatbot. So here I am going to keep it as light, but you can select the theme mode according to you. Now we are getting the option for assistant shape, which is already selected as circle, but you can select another assistant shape also, that is square and rounded square. And now we are getting some of the properties for which we can change the color of the preview of the chatbot. So now let's have on to change the assistant background color. So here I am going to select another color. So here you can see as I have selected this color, the changes can be seen in the preview of your chatbot. So likewise you can change the coloring of another properties of your chatbot also. And afterwards we are getting this option for header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and background picture. So if you want to provide any kind of these profiles, you can provide here. So with this we have customized the visual appearance of our AI assistant also. Now we just have to enable it. So for that we just have to enable this toggle and activate our AI assistant. So here we have activated it. Now we simply have to click over this save AI assistant for saving it. And here you can see as I have clicked over this, I'm getting this pop-up, that is AI assistant saved successfully. So this demonstrates that we have successfully built in our AI assistant and it is saved successfully. Now if you want to embed this AI assistant to your business, you simply have to click over this embed button, and here we are getting the script code. So you just have to paste the script code to your business and the AI assistant will be embedded to your business. So here you can see that how easily we have built in this AI assistant without even a single word coding, and you can also embed it so easily. Now I'm going to show you how you can enable this AI assistant for your all contacts or for a particular chat. So for enabling this AI assistant for your all contacts, you just have to go to settings, where you can see the option of inbox settings, which you have to select, and you will be landed to the inbox settings page, where you have to scroll down, and at last you can see we are getting this option for enable AI auto replies, which you have to enable. And afterwards from here you can select the contact list or your all contact for which you want to enable this AI assistant, and from this option of AI assistant you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. And now you don't have to do any manual work because AI assistant is going to handle all these. Now if you want to enable AI assistant for your particular contact or particular chat, you just have to go to inbox given on the sidebar, and you will be landed to this inbox page. And on this particular number, you can see on the right side, we are getting this option for choose AI assistant, which you have to enable. And afterwards, from here, you have to select the AI assistant which you want to use. So now I'm going to select this AI assistant, that is Fixify AI assistant, which I have recently created. And afterwards, we just have to click over the save button and our AI assistant will be enabled successfully. And here you can see that we are getting this pop-up which demonstrates that we have successfully enabled it. So by this way, you can enable AI assistant for a particular chat. Now let's move on to my WhatsApp to test it again. So here I'm landed to my WhatsApp. Now I'm going to clear my previous chat. Now again I'm going to enter my user's first message, that is hey, I need help, and here I'm going to enter this message, and again my AI assistant is responding to me, that is of course what do you need help with today, I'm here to assist you. Now I'm going to enter another question for my AI assistant to check whether it's responding on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it or not. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is tell me about the services you offer, and as I have entered this message, I'm getting this response from my AI assistant. Now let's move on to my knowledge base to check whether is this the data I have provided over there or not. So on my knowledge base, you can clearly see that my AI assistant is responding to me with same services which I have entered in my knowledge base. So now you might have observed that how easily we have built in this AI assistant. So you can also build an AI assistant like this for your own business for enhancing your users experience and automating your all tasks. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing AI assistant chatbots like this. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and if you have any doubt, you can post it over the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.